Hello again, everyone. This is Scott from RV Rollin' with MJ. This week, Melissa and I traveled up to Ocean Grove RV Resort in St. Augustine Beach, Florida. The resort is about 7 miles south of St. Augustine. The resort, which is across from the ocean, has a relaxing pool with a bar and grill, full hookups, basketball and bocce ball courts, a camp store, a dog run, shuffleboard, among other amenities. It's also only a short drive from all the attractions downtown St. Augustine has to offer. Stay tuned after our video of the resort, the beach, and the neighboring St. Augustine when Melissa and I give our honest review of Ocean Grove RV Resort. Also, don't miss our bloopers at the conclusion of our review. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button on the bottom right of the screen and ring that notification bell so you can be notified when we have a new video. Hello everyone and welcome to RV Rollin' with MJ. I'm Scott.
And I'm Melissa.
And this week we had an opportunity to head up to St. Augustine Beach, where we went to the Ocean Grove Resort in St. Augustine. Before we get started, let me get a little housekeeping out of the way. So if you like our videos, please press the subscribe button, which you'll see on the bottom right of your screen. And also ring the notification bell. This way, whenever we have a new video uploaded, which we do every week, you'll be able to get notified about it and you'll be able to see some great videos. So Melissa, where'd we head this week?
We went to Ocean Grove RV Resort, and then I was in St. Augustine, just about 7 miles from the city of St. Augustine.
We spent time at the actual campsite itself, and we did some scootering on the beach.
Yes, and we also went kayaking behind the resort. Had a dock where you can go and put your boats on.
Yep, it was absolutely beautiful. So amazing sunsets, and it was about a 7-mile drive to actually St. Augustine, where we took in the sights of St. Augustine, which included one of the most famous places.
Fountain of the Youth.
The fountain, they added the. See, it's no longer the Fountain of Youth, it's now Fountain of the Youth.
It is?
Yeah, no, apparently you
okay.
You said it is. And in St. Augustine, we visited a castle, although it was closed for COVID, but it was magnificent castle. Walked around the old streets of St. Augustine, which is, I think...
Which was amazing. It was so nice. There was nobody there.
Yep. And it's, I think, the oldest city in America, actually. So that was fun. And then when we got back to the campsite, another night, we took the scooters and actually drove the scooters
Right on the beach.
Right on the beach, on the sand.
It was very hard, the sand, and it was so much fun.
Correct, and we drove about a mile, had dinner.
Yeah, we had a really great restaurant that was on the marsh. You can see we had a view of the marsh area.
Yep, and we also drove and got some ice cream. So it was a lot to do. So take a look at our video. Tell us what you think.
On the marsh at the campgrounds in St. Augustine, Florida.
This is it, the moment. All right, there it is. How do you feel?
5 years old.
5.
Look, fountain of youth.
Hello, Jackson.
Jackson. Daddy's gonna be Jackson's age.
Ready?
Oh, nice.
There he goes. What do you? Oh my God! Oh, he's a baby. Saltwater cowboy with the view of the marsh area.
tell you, I never realized how much we've done until I look back at those videos. There was a lot going on. So for those new to the channel, the way we rate the locations is we rate it from 10 to 1, with 10 being the best place we've ever been and 1 not so great place we've ever been. So Melissa, how would you rate Ocean Grove?
Well, I would give it a 7.5 because it had so much to do. I mean, one is, like you said, the kayaking and the marsh area in the back of the campsite, and we saw not only that, but we saw an amazing sunset. And it had a really nice pool, and the plus of it was that there was a grill and you could get drinks, so that was really nice. Plus it was really close to the beach, so we actually walked to the beach and then we rode scooters later on, and that was really nice. So, and then we took an Uber into the city, and that was really nice. And the Fountain of Youth was, we've been there before, but it was nice.
Yep. Other things that they have at the campsite, they have, I know, the dog run. There's a camp store,
yes,
I believe.
That was a camp store, yeah.
They had shuffleboard courts. They have a number of amenities there, so enough to keep you busy. And there's a restaurant, as I mentioned earlier, that was relatively close by. So all in all, we had a fun time. I would give that particular resort probably a 7.5. What'd you give it?
7.5.
Oh,
same thing. You gave it 7.5. I gave it a 7.5. So I think that's the same.
I didn't even know what you gave, and I gave it the exact same thing. The one thing that I would say really stood out is the fact that it was close to a city like St Augustine, because not only did we have the opportunity to enjoy the amenities at the campsite, but 7 miles away there was St Augustine, which is a really nice place to just walk, stroll, the water area, the downtown, see the old buildings.
Our campsite though was very wooded, which was nice. We had it was shaded, but there was lots that weren't. But the one that we had was shaded. But there was some campsites you could have gotten right on the water, on the marsh area, but we didn't have those. Right.
So it was, like I said, I give it a 7.5. Definitely recommend that particular resort. So, well, and as always, until next time, look for our videos, and again, subscribe. Hit the button, hit the notification bell, just hit everything. Go Panthers, and until next time, we'll see you down the road. Hello everyone, this is Scott from RV Rolling with MJ.
And I'm Melissa. No, you didn't introduce me. And this is...
Okay. Hello again everyone, this is Scott from RV Rolling with MJ. This week, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Nope.
No, that doesn't work. What was that?
Okay.
It's Ocean Grove RV Resort, but anyway.
What'd I say?
Ocean Grove Resort.
Okay. There's some sunsets.
Amazing.
Amazing sunsets. And the okay, you threw me off with that.
Sorry.
You just went rogue on me.
Well, it's okay. Improv.
Yeah, improv. All right. Anyway, this. Okay.